FIFA President Sepp Blatter met with Turkish Prime Minister Recep Tayyip Erdogan on Tuesday. Blatter is in the country ahead of the Under-20 World Cup, which takes place in Turkey from June the 21st to July the 13th. The meeting in Ankara saw the pair primarily focus on FIFA's major youth competition, but other topics such as Istanbul's bid for the 2020 Olympic Games and football development in the country were also discussed. The Under-20 World Cup will be the first FIFA-sanctioned tournament to be staged in Turkey. Debutante Cuba will face Asian champions South Korea in the opening match in Kayseri.
Thank you so much.